Hello everyone, welcome to Rkdecor channel. We are discuss some folding leaders. Be compact folding staircase is hard to define past part furniture, part art, part engineering. Master class over painted award a winning design allowed to install adorable structure and beautiful staircase in spaces that often would not allow for one. It's push that the boundaries and creates new possibilities for what you can do at your home or office. All whistles being enjoyable to use, conventing be to have and gorgeous look at award winning designs a flat of engineering the compact foldable staircase for home or office use to painted mechans and design that allows it to be both structured and compact. It's groundbreaking sad ways folding action minimax your living space while giving you access to other areas for your home. The design incorporates innovative features like the bifold handle with dilating the stainless steel bars or allow hardware. The staircase can be installed with the optional automatic or spring loaded safety gate, and even it's come the specific finish option for the outdoor installations. Safety provide. Hello everyone, number welcome to one, safety Rkdecor and channel. We are reliability discuss of folding the core staircase. Of what do at be compact with 15 years to research and development behind us. Uh, we utilize premium materials and painted be folding handrail and ensure the folding staircase can withstand a variety of loads and impact. Rest assured, we offer foldable staircase for home and the office you can use with confidence. Easy install option: install the folding staircase into your space. The breeze things far over easy to the following installation guide. You can choose it install yourself or your own carpenter. You will even be happy to have a video with before you install. You make sure enjoy the setup for ready for installation. Sensible like no others are at the heart of many of our innovation lay a desire to create products using materials that were sensible of easy replenished. That is after 15 years the refinement we will be able to bamboo to build our product by million and compacting bamboo in the customer manners we were able to use in a brand new ways. We maximize its tensile strength which are higher than steel to create a product like the folding staircase and ensure our process is just as sustainable to as the final product. Each compound to cut with almost zero waste and whatever is left over to collect and repurposed for other creations. Fast flat rate shipping around the world. We were worked closely with our delivery partner DHL to offer your custom unbelievable shipping rates and delivery times. You can expect to receive your staircase or leader 7 to 14 working days after it's been produced. Made with the passion in Australia, our product made on site in Australia with a great deal to care and attention to deal in Japan. If you are my ideas, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.